I'm Cosmo and welcome to Live at the Jailhouse. Tonight, we have some of the most renowned restaurant magicians in the United States performing for real-world audiences. Let's meet the inmates.
From Los Angeles, California, Paul Green. From St. Charles, Missouri, Dan Fleshman. From Buffalo, New York, Garrett Thomas. From Columbus, Ohio, Justin Miller. From Seattle, Washington, Kirk Charles. And on location from Sarasota, Florida, Dan Tong.
But even more important than the magic, tonight, these seasoned pros will teach you the real secrets and help you become a professional restaurant performer.